to see people fly a flag for a country that has in some ways abandoned them, and yet they remain human, and the policies are inhuman.
Poverty is structured into the very core of our society.
You can fix this. And I'm sick of folks saying this is too hard and we can't do it.
And the poor that Dr. Martin Luther King wanted to bring to Washington have come.
There are millions of poor people in this country who have very little or even nothing to lose. They can be helped to take action together. They will do so with a freedom and a power that will be a new and unsettling force in our complacent national life.
Poverty brings on all of those anxieties, right? So you're always on edge.
And you've already said the politicians ain't gonna do it. You got to make this a news story.
And we demand that the wealthy and corporations pay their fair share. Pay their fair share.
Do you believe that class solidarity, class unity is actually possible, especially given the climate we're in now?
I'm poor, I'm white, I'm here. And this hillbilly is joining other poor people. Our backs are against the wall, and we got no choice but to push.
You are the ones that you've been waiting on.
The challenge, can poor people really make a difference?